The standing, driving cable chest press with dual hook straight bar is an explosive, pushing exercise that primarily targets the chest. Athletes may benefit from this variation as it can improve functional strength, core stability, and dynamic movement patterns for sports performance. However, if your primary goal is to grow your chest, stick with the traditional chest press from a stationary position. Here's how to do it correctly. Set both cable pulleys to a position close to chest height, then attach a dual hook straight bar to both sides. Stand in a staggered stance facing away from the cable machine. Grip the straight bar with both hands, shoulder width apart at chest level with your elbows bent and palms facing down. Brace your core for stability, then take a step forward to create tension in the cables while maintaining the staggered stance. Exhale and drive forward by stepping forward with the back leg to get into a staggered stance, then push the bar forward by extending your arms fully while focusing on engaging your chest muscles as you drive the bar away from your body. Inhale and bend your elbows to bring the bar back to chest level as you step backward to get back to the starting staggered position. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.